Dry cleaning your linen fabric causes the breakdown of linen fibers, accelerating wear and tear on your linen garment. Additionally, it costs you time and money. I'm going to show you how to wash your linen properly so that it's softer, more durable, and with a few added tips and tricks, I'm going to make sure you look like a rock star in your linen. Let's get started. I choose a wrinkly blue linen dress shirt that has previously been burned along the edges by the dry cleaners. I also picked the most unstructured, unlined, and casual linen pants that I own to show you that even the most flowy linen garments can be washed and treated at home. You'll be surprised how fast and easy it is to clean linen pants. I don't cover stains in this video, so stay tuned till the end for a link to that guide or check the description. Linen pants are incredibly easy to care for. Steaming is often all you need. A handheld steamer like Rowenta works wonders. Steaming cleans by using high temperature steam to kill bacteria, loosen dirt, and remove odors. It also reduces wrinkles, but it won't remove deep stains or heavy soiling. To steam your linen pants, hang them up and pass the steamer a few centimeters away from the fabric in gentle strokes. Pulse the trigger for a steady release of steam. For stubborn wrinkles, hold the end of the pant leg with light tension and steam around the wrinkled area. This softens the linen while keeping its structure intact. At this point, your pants are ready to wear. But if you want to eliminate wrinkles further or give them a sharper look, it's time to iron. Flip them inside out to prevent heat damage on the outer fabric. Set your iron to one of two settings. Medium low is best for preserving the linen's longevity. Medium will remove wrinkles more effectively, but use higher heat. Never use the highest setting. This can burn or weaken the fabric. Pass the iron gently over the fabric, keeping slight tension. Once pressed, your pants will look good as new. Shirts, even if worn just once, need a different approach due to their exposure to sweat and body oils. Turn your shirt inside out and place it in the washing machine. Use white vinegar in the fabric softener compartment. It softens the fabric and removes stains naturally without damaging the fibers. As an alternative to vinegar, Downy's fabric conditioner works exceptionally well for softening linen and reducing wrinkles. Pair it with a gentle, fragrance-free detergent like All Free and Clear. For your washer settings, you want a delicate and a wrinkle control cycle. Use cool temperature water. Warm water can fade the colors, while cold will prevent softening. Use the gentlest settings for spinning and soaking. As soon as the washer is done, remove your shirt immediately. Hang it up and grab your steamer. Steaming while it's damp takes advantage of the fabric's weight, letting it dry naturally without wrinkles. After a couple hours, your shirt should be mostly wrinkle-free and ready to wear. For casual shirts, you can stop here, but for dress shirts, ironing is the final step. Use the same inside-out method and iron settings as with the pants for the best results. Dry cleaners prefer dry cleaning over laundering to prevent shrinking the linen, but dry cleaning has long-term effects on your garment's integrity. Always check the care label. Unless it's a linen suit, avoid buying linen that says dry clean only. This usually means it's poor quality linen that will shrink regardless of how you clean it. Linen has been trusted for centuries, washed along rivers and banks as a durable fabric. Any linen that can't handle water is simply low quality. Some additional bonus tips: linen doesn't stretch, so a slightly looser fit is more comfortable and gives you some margin for shrinkage if you don't follow my steps exactly. Hang linen garments to maintain their shape and avoid deep creases. A quick steam refreshes linen and removes any wrinkles from storage. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave a comment below if you have any other linen care questions. See you in the next one. Cheers.